Hey guys, hope you're doing well and having a great day, or morning or evening or night, wherever you are. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to make some fairy dust. I've run out, so I've only got a little bit left here, so I'm just going to add some more. So what you're going to do, what you're going to need is some sort of fake snow. That's the base you're going to work with. So some fake snow, some neutral colour, so that's good to use. And then we're going to go and add in some earth, some cinnamon and some sugar. So go ahead and add some of that in. It's very quick and easy to do. And what this fairy dust is going to do is assist, attract magical beings to assist in your work. You could just have magical beings into your garden, attract it into your household, right? But I like using mine for my spell work. So when you're doing your spell work, you're lighting your candles or what have you, you'll sprinkle some of the fairy dust alongside. Say you're doing a money spell, so you would use your fairy dust alongside the other ingredients you're doing, not to go on the candle, but around the candle, on the same tray or plate, sort of like you're decorating it. But what you're really doing is attracting magical beings with this ingredients here. And what you need to do is you pray over it and you say what you want it to do. Okay, that's the most important thing. And then you add your glitters. So I'm adding different colors, doesn't matter what color you're adding. You add in your glitter, and you're going to go ahead and add some powder. Nothing too strong. Baby powder is fine. And that's it. You're just going to mix that all up together. There you have your fairy dust. You have something to put it in, a bottle or jar. And as I said, what you're going to do is use this fairy dust when you're doing your spell work. Add it nearby, so it will attract the magical beings. It's good for money and love. So if you're doing money and love spells, definitely use this. It speeds up the work as well. Because when you're doing these spell works, what you want to do is attract the right energies to your work, so it makes the spell more powerful, move more quicker. Right? So that's what you do. It's very quick and simple to make. Not hard. Just a few ingredients, and you have your fairy dust. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very short and sweet. I'm going to come back with something else again during the week. Well, today's what? Today's already Wednesday, so maybe Friday I'll come back and show another spell work for you to try at home. So enjoy your day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the other one.